because of course your health is your wealth, and it is in fact the top priority in feng shui. Is to look after people's health first, relationships next, and then lastly, I worry then about how the finances will work out, because you have to remember, if your health and relationships are good, then everything else will follow and you won't have any worries. And that's actually a given fact. There's a lot of things actually in modern life that I think are proving feng shui right. I remember listening to Pat Kenny announcing one morning on his radio show that a team of young scientists had won the award that year, and the award was that they discovered that if you flush the toilet with the lid up, all those germs travel all around the bathroom, land on your toothbrush, and then you stick that in your mouth and brush your teeth with it. So, you know, when you think about it, feng shui is all about putting the lid down before you flush, and there's a good reason for that. It is actually about containing that type of sewer energy and not allowing it to spread in any way. So remember that when you have all your doors to your bathrooms left open, that is a big mistake. Make sure you close all the toilet doors and all the bathroom doors, all the ensuite doors, especially, you know, before you leave the house every day, before you go to bed at night, make sure those doors are closed. You're trying to reduce that impact from sewer energy.